Oh my god!
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to fold a very fun finger flower. Prepare a square piece of paper. Two-tone paper with different colors on each side. If you don't have this kind of paper, you can also use single color paper. Okay, let's get started now. First, fold these two corners together. Then unfold. Fold this corner to this corner. Then unfold. Rotate the paper slightly. Align the bottom corner with the midpoint. Rotate again. Align this corner with the midpoint. Repeat for all four corners. Now you have a small square. Unfold. Then rotate the paper. Align this edge with the center line. Rotate again. Align this edge with the center line as well. Align the right edge with the center line. Rotate again. Unfold. Fold like this. Unfold the left side. Then put your finger inside. Turn it over. Fold the bottom point to the top point. Crease well. Fold the top point to the bottom point. Turn it over. Fold the left and right sides to the center line. Turn it over. Align this corner with the midpoint. Align this corner with the midpoint. Unfold. Align this corner with the midpoint. Unfold. Align this corner with the midpoint. Unfold. Then turn it over. Fold this triangle down. Push up with your thumb. Rotate the paper. Do the same on this side. Fold this triangle down. Push up with your thumb. Turn it over. Pick it up. Press down with both thumbs. Push the top and bottom up. Now it forms the shape. Pinch here several times. Flip this part up. Put your finger inside. Fold it outward. Do the same on this side. Put your finger inside. Fold it outward. Rotate the paper. Place it down. Fold it outward. Do the same on this side. Press down here. Then press down with both hands. The finger flower is finished. Let's try it out. Once more.